Hey you guys, and what is up? My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media. I always say that, but it's fine. And today I'm going to be setting up my Erin Condren hourly planner for 2023. So I've already started this planner and I wanted to do like a little bit of a vision board, and I created one on Canva using like pictures. And that being said, I wanted like people I love collage, and then I was thinking about doing like a vision board somewhere, but honestly, like I don't have another place to do that in, so I went ahead and made a vision board and then a picture, like a collage of people that I love, I guess. So these are the images. I think it looks pretty cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut them down. I just use Canva, and I just searched for images on Pinterest that I really liked. I did use the same images that I used on my Hobonichi, so if you're interested to see how I made a collage and all that stuff, you can check out my Hobonichi week's vision board setup, and I think it looks adorable. So this is all I'm gonna do is just set this up. So what I thought about doing and what I think would be fun is, how about I just put some music on the video, and you can just watch me struggle with this. If you have like a vision board or something that you're needing to create, I feel like this would be like a good time to like grab a coffee, hang out, and maybe make your own, customize your planner or something like that. So yeah, I feel like I really like the idea of adding your own stuff to your planner and not just keeping it as like just like simple and like with the way the planner came, just because I think we should be able to first off make it our own, and then just add all the little things that we like, just to, oh no, it's too big, just to make it exciting for us. And two, like I feel like we need to make it our own, especially because it's like what's gonna motivate us daily, you know? But since there's like a little bit of excess on the top and this side, I'm gonna go ahead and just mark it with a pencil instead of like redoing it, because it really wasn't that much. So that's all I'm gonna do, literally, and then I'm just gonna cut it down even more. Unless it cuts down too much from the images, then maybe I'd redo it, but I don't think it'll be necessary. So yeah, that looks fine. That is perfectly fine. Okay. Cute, that looks fine. And then I'm just, since my paper cutter is kind of not sharp enough anymore, it kind of like leaves these like edges a little weird. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of clean it up a little. It looks good on these sides, but not this one. Okay. Cute, cute, cute. I used to always add like a little vision board section to my happy planner, and I figured now, since I have the Erin Condren planner, like it doesn't have removable pages, but I don't really mind doing this, so I actually like this idea of just kind of making it my own with my own pages and gluing them on. Like it doesn't have to be extra fancy. That's what I'm trying to just do more of this year, is just going with the flow, going with like what works for me, what I like, and not worrying about like things looking aesthetic because of like an Instagram picture or something. So I'm trying to decide which side. So I'll probably remove some, okay, from this side and the top. So okay, I'm gonna close this off, then mark the pages, and like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it up a little bit more. Oh, yeah. Okay. Does that look okay? Yep, that looks fine. Perfect, perfect, perfect. But since I'm in an Erin Condren planner right now, I feel like I don't have a whole ton of options to customizing it. So that could be like, I guess you can say a con when it comes to a coil bound planner, but you can still do stuff like this. And I did buy some of the, I think they're like snap-in coil sticky looking things. I don't know. I think I have them. Let me show you all. Hold on. But I bought some of these right here that are coil clip connectors. So stick it, snap it, save it. So you can add pictures or whatever. Even if it doesn't take up the entire page, I think you can still, like if you wanted to print this on like cardstock or something, you could still do it that way. So I think it's a good idea, and it's like a simple way to customize your like coil bound planner if that's something that you wanted to do. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna remove these little stickies. Originally, I was gonna print this out on sticker paper, but I ran out of like white sticker paper and I only had clear sticker paper. So I don't want to print it on clear and then then you'd be able to see this image behind it. But I think this actually does fit. Yay. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add this page first. Yeah, cute. Okay, I am so excited. Okay, so let me go ahead and add this on. So I have just a regular old glue stick. It's honestly what I use on my happy planner, like when I make like little custom dividers or whatever. I just use glue. I know a lot of people use like double-sided tape. I don't really care. I feel like glue works just fine for me and I don't mind it. I know like sometimes it can make the page a little wrinkly, but I don't think it really does that pretty often. Like it has to be way too much glue to make the page wrinkly. And perfect. Cute, cute, cute. See, like you can kind of tell it makes the page a little wrinkly, but I don't necessarily mind it. I think it looks fine. And I prefer the look of this more to kind of sacrifice that. So that's okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add this one on. Okay. I wonder, so I searched the size of a Erin Condren planner and it told me it was 7x9. So I'm assuming it's obviously a little bit smaller than that. So I'll have to do some better research. So next time I don't have to cut as much. Oh no, did I do this wrong? Shit. Shit, shit, shit. Okay, hopefully that didn't wrinkle it too much. No, I think I did this right. Oh no, I did not. Okay, but that looks fine. Perfect. Okay, I'm so glad I saved it. That looks cute. My little niece and nephew, they're adorable. I love them so much. Okay, that is cute. So now I'm gonna open my planner. This is when I'm gonna see the first page. I thought about, oh no, what did I get on here? I don't know what that is. No idea. You know what? We can put a sticker on there at one point. I feel like just go with it, you know? And then I have my vision board, pictures of people. I feel like when it comes to goals, you definitely want to have like your goals and then what inspires you to like achieve those goals. So like this is like travel and Cabo. I'm going to Cabo for my best friend's bachelorette. Planning, so just like planning a happy life. Be more attracted to what's good for you. It's just honestly like living like a good and healthy life. Jesus's life. All we have is now. Happiness. Like, I don't know, it just like makes me happy. And then all these people that are like my friends and family definitely motivate me and encourage me to like keep going and achieving those goals. Okay, so this is good right here. And then here, what I'm planning on doing is transferring all of my goals from my Moxie Life to here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 4 extra. Okay. Okay, well that's fine. I can go ahead and do that later. I did want to make a January monthly vision board. So I don't know if I'm gonna make 2 of them. Maybe I will. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my computer and kind of set up a little vision board with you all. So let me move my camera so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what I had made earlier, so I can go ahead and close that out. And I'm going to Safari. Hopefully y'all can see that okay, but Safari, Canva, and I think, yeah, Canva, create a design. And, you know, I had actually already created one that was, yeah, 7. No, that's a 3, 4. No, this is it. Okay, perfect. So this is the 7x9 that I had created earlier. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete this page. I'm going to keep that one for now. And I'm going to go ahead and make another one. Now, I don't know if I want to make just like a collage of things for January, or if I just want to search for a photo on here that represents like January. So let me search January. These are really wintry, so I think that would be the only downside on doing something like this, because I live in Texas and it is not that wintry looking down here. So maybe I can just go ahead and go to Pinterest. Okay, so a little like tip whenever I search for stuff is I would always put like aesthetic after. So for 2023, I am not gonna travel at all. I do like this image right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and save this to my desktop. Save. It's a more of like just goals. Achieving goals. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scroll through this and just keep finding pictures to kind of make my own collage. Okay, so I went ahead and picked out a few images. I'm not sure if these are going to be all the images I'm going to include, but I do like a lot of these. I was thinking about possibly just keeping the divider the way it is in my planner and just picking out images that kind of match that aesthetic and look. So I think that'll be a little bit of what I'll do. But I'll have to kind of decide once I see how it all looks together. But so far, I think that looks pretty cute. I think it's definitely aligning with like the goals and everything that I want to achieve for 2023 and like what I want to have in my mind for January and the start of January. So definitely something like this because of like reading and self-care. I do like this little quote, do it for yourself. Okay, I kind of really like that. Cute. Okay. And then I like this little happy one. I'm thinking about this. Maybe come over here. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I need to make this smaller. That's good. Okay, I feel like I need another picture to put down here. So, do I have another image that I like? Oh, this one. I know I've already used this, but that is fine. I'm good with like having it multiple times in my planner because that's really a big goal of mine this year. Okay, I really like that. Okay, this one needs to be centered a little bit more. Okay, cute. I love that. Now I have to make it smaller. I think I can get away with it. So maybe from the top and from this side. I know this may not seem like a lot of sense, but it's fine. Okay, cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that image. So download, pages. I'm gonna deselect the first one and only print the second one. So cute, download. Okay, so here it is. I think that looks adorable. So file, print. My printer, media quality best, and always make sure that the scale is at 100. So then I'm gonna go ahead and print it, and then we can add it to my planner. Okay, so I went ahead and printed it. I think it looks cute. This is like a different angle, so I'm sorry if this bothers you, but it was convenient. But I'm gonna go ahead and just add this on here, make sure that it fits first. Yes, okay, perfect. Okay, cute, and I think it looks good with this page on here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, my computer was still in the way, but I'm gonna go ahead and glue it. I know it's cringe for some people to see glue being used on the planners, but I don't mind it, so do what works for you. I just personally feel like, well, maybe it's just the, oh shoot, maybe it's just the tape that I have, but I feel like it doesn't stick all the way. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and add this on here. Cute, okay. Perfect. Okay, that looks adorable. Like, how cute is that? Like, let me show you from the beginning. So this is just cover page, name with my name on it, and then my vision board, my friends and family. This is just here at a glance, where my goals will go eventually, and then vision board for January. Cute. I love that. And it matches pretty well with this. So it's perfect that I didn't have to change that. And then I just have my YouTube schedule on here. And then I plan on doing the same thing for January. Originally, I was like, either I'll do a February monthly vision board, like I'll do a vision board, or I'll do like trackers and stuff. But there's also this page right here that I can do fitness or wellness trackers. And then over here, obviously just like checklists, checkpoints of things that I want to accomplish in the month of January. The other thing that I was thinking about doing is using this for like memories. So just doing the same thing of creating like a collage of like memories that happen in January and then just adding them on here. But we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna think too much into it, but I love the way this turned out. I think it looks adorable and I'm really excited for 2023, but I don't know exactly when this is going to go up, but I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.